Hello viewers, let's continue our GATE series, and now we have to solve one more question which has already come in GATE 20, and now we have to solve it. So in this question there is given a Boolean function a, b, c. Okay, first you have to find the Boolean function, and then you just have to Boolean expression, sorry, you have to find the Boolean expression, and then you have to check which one of the following minterm represent the circuit. Okay, so you have to find the Boolean expression. Okay, so Boolean expression will be, so this is the NOT gate, okay, this is the AND gate, and this one is the OR gate. Okay, so first you have to invert the B, because it has been passed through the NOT gate, so the B bar, which is the NOT, and then after that the B will move to the AND gate. Okay, and the C, so it will give B not C. Okay, so this is the symbol of and after this B, C and A move to the OR gate. Okay, so this is the OR gate, so that this will give A plus B and C. Okay, so this will give A plus B not dot C. So this is the our Boolean expression. So here is our Boolean expression, and now we have to find the minterms to represent this expression. Okay, so our expression is Boolean expression is given A plus B not dot C. Okay, and then you have to represent this in a minterms. So there are 3 variables, so we require 8 rows to represent. Okay, 8 rows, 2 की power 3, 8 rows represent. Okay, so what will be the representation? First you have to take A, B and C. Okay, A, B and C. Let's create a column 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so this is the 8, and then 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, and then 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, so this is the value of A, B and C, and now we have to find, according to this expression, first you have to find the B naught and then do the AND with C. Okay, so let's find B naught. So let's find B naught. This will give 1 1. It will reverse from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. 0 0 1 1 0 0. Okay, and then this will give B naught and C. Okay, you just have to do AND. So if there is one is true, another is false, then it will give false. Okay, in the same way both are true, then it will be true. If both is false, false. One is false, then false. For this false, 1 false false. Okay, this is the value of B naught dot C, and then you have to find the OR with A. Okay, you just have to find the OR with A. So what will be the value? A plus B and C. Okay, B0 dot C. So A for 0 0 it will be 0. For 0 1 it will be 1. For 0 and 0 it will again 0. For 0 and 0 it will again 0. And for 1 1. For 1 1 it will again 1. For 1 and 0 it will again 1. For 1 and 0 it will again 1. So if you don't know the truth table for OR, so let's do this. AB 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, if there is only 1 then it will be 1. Okay, so this is the truth table for OR, and for truth table of AND will be like this. If one is false then other will also false. Okay, so this is the table for 1 and OR. So what is the minimum term here? So let's number this: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the minimum term to represent this expression is, you have to check on which of them has 1. Okay, so the minimum term will be 1 4 5 6 and 7. So this is the minimum term required to check the expression. Okay, so you have to check the option where whether this is present or not. So let's check this option: 4 1 4 5 6 7. Okay, so you can see that option B is correct. For this, answer will be 1 4 5 6 and 7. So this is the answer. Option B is correct. Okay, so thanks for watching.